Hi everyone, welcome back to the Email Blaster channel. If you're getting started with email marketing, you're in the right place. Today we're going to show you how to make it easy to start building successful campaigns using Email Blaster's powerful yet super simple software. Now, email marketing is one of the most cost-effective ways to connect with your audience. Whether you're running a small business, an online shop, a community project, sending email campaigns helps to stay in touch, build relationships and really boost sales. Best of all, with the right tools, it's even easier than ever to get started. With Email Blaster, setting up your first campaign is quick and hassle-free. You don't need to be an expert with tech or anything like that. Designs are all built inside. Drag and drop your content, text and images and logos you can send instantly or schedule for later. In just a few minutes, you'll have a professional looking email ready to send. And here's the best part. Whilst Email Blaster is incredibly easy to use, it's also packed with powerful features. Real-time analytics, track opens, clicks and engagements instantly. Smart AI tools, optimize subject headlines and content. List management, keep your audience organized and targeted. Custom templates, brand your emails the way that you want them to look. So you get all of the professional tools and all of the help that you need without any complexity. Here are 3 great tips to get you started quickly. Keep your subject headline short and engaging. Make sure your message is clear and valuable. Always check your analytics. This helps you to improve with every send. Email marketing doesn't have to be complicated, and with Email Blaster it really isn't. Ready to start your first campaign? Click the link below and try Email Blaster for free today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for more email marketing tips. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.